Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quinn here, and today I'm just sharing with you all my new cover from MOTERM. I couldn't decide between the gray croc or I think it's the cream croc. I'm not sure. Let me find the name of it to see which one I got. So this is the CROC-TAUPE. I ordered this from Amazon. I was eyeballing the CROC-TAUPE, which looks like that. And then I was also eyeballing the CROC Gray. That just looks really, really good. So I couldn't choose. So I told my boyfriend to order it off of his Amazon account. So then I wouldn't have to worry about it. So this is the one that I got. Let me take it out of the dust bag. So this one is the CROC-TAUPE. It looks so good and it smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. I don't know why I kept smelling it, but it smells like it smells so good. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It comes with this. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't lay flat. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't lay flat. It has like a little hump in the back. And yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or if it's from being in this position all the time. But that's what it looks like. Of course, you have your pockets, your pin loop, a bigger pocket here. And then you can put your stickers or your money in there. I got this for my Hobonichi Techo. So let me go ahead and unbox that for you all as well. So this is my Hobonichi Techo for 2023 original. They also gave a pin and then a 2023 dust bag. So this is my first time being in an A6. I felt like this size would work really well for me because my A5 cousin, it did not get used really at all. So yeah, hopefully I can get better use out of this one. Let me go ahead and put it in here. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so cute. Let's see. I'm not going to use any of these pages, I don't think, so I'm going to stick all of that in the pocket here. Actually, no, because it's gonna look bulky. Okay, let's put it like this. Okay, yeah, that even slides in better. Perfect. I just put my pen in there. I purchased some goodies. I'm still waiting for those on from Etsy. Once I get all of the things, I will definitely do a flip through of my setup, but I just wanted to really show you all the cover. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.